2, 3. Hi, YouTube! So today, me and Shanicia is going to do the burping challenge. But
we're gonna make it up.
Yeah, we just made it up. So we use Pepsi. So we're gonna drink our glasses of Pepsi first. Not yet. And then and then we gotta drink all of it. And then we gotta burp. Whoever could burp the most, at least 10 times.
Okay. And here's the challenge. Whoever don't burp 10 times has to do whatever the other person wants them to do.
Okay. So you guys, and also put in the comments what other videos we should do, and yeah. So let's get started.
Okay.
You gotta drink the whole thing. Oh. Ooh. Yo, I look constipated. Yo, I wasn't even counting. I need you guys to count for us. And whoever did more than 10, whoever did the most, comment in the comments.
I got 10. You got 10.
No, they're gonna count. Yo, my first burp was funny. Oh. Yo, we drank all the Pepsi. Alicia.
From the bottom. Hey! I think Daddy did that 1,000 times. So like,
yeah, but not like this.
Ready?
Sorry. Got to take this. Okay. So we're done with this video. So comment in the comment sections what other videos we should do. And comment, please, how much burps both of us did. Because, like, we wasn't counting. We were so focused on being funny and burping. So, yeah. Bye.